So I saw this game and I wondered what it was. So I'm just gonna do a quick playthrough. Hungry Shot. Thanks. Play now. Okay, let's play. 2, 1, survive. Oh, so we have to do it like this. Oh, we won. I'm not so sure if that thing's good or bad. Safe zone will shrink in 7, 6, 5. Ouch! Let's continue. I'm guessing this is the safe zone. Wait, we need to eat meat? Oh, we need to eat meat to upgrade. This game's actually quite fun. I like it. Eat. Nom nom. I'm a confused eater. Can we... Ouch! I've been eliminated. Ow, that hurts. And hurts even more. Okay, so that's round 1. Let's claim our reward. We got 26 coins. Nice. And listen. Fun. Ozzy versus Mozzie. I like how it rhymes. Ozzy versus Mozzie. It's a unique name. Ooh, get now, get now. Okay, so we can, I think it's like a chance to get this shark thing. Maybe like a stronger shark starts off stronger. Maybe. Okay, 2 in 1 bundle. Nice, thanks, but no thanks. Play. Let's play. So we got money, and now can we upgrade it? It doesn't look we can upgrade it. Yeah. Yeah, let's set a different name. Let's do... This used to be my Roblox account's name. That used to be my name. Fine, I'll do guess. Yeah, I want to break 3. I'm gonna go more that way because the food's gonna be there. Oh gosh. Let's go down. Oh. Let's go here. I never got to explore this area much. Oh gosh, safe zone will shrink. 3, 2, 1. Let's eat this guy. Let's eat these. Oh, so you can attack these. I think it said M. Oh gosh, it's violent. M size. Oh, there's so much meat down there. Oh, that's so much meat. Size up, we gotta size up. Oh, so we can eat these little fishies too. Fishy things. Oh, there's more meat. Let's eat. I'm just stealing all the... Oh, no! No! Oh. Did you see how big that shark was? That shark was humongous. There's one imposter among us. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. There's probably like so many sharks. Everyone's still probably... Look at this guy. He's huge. He's humongous. Our reward. No thank you, because times 3, 45. Because I definitely know. Good game. I'm just gonna drop instantly. Oh, that seems like a lot of people's strategies. I need to find my... Where's my cursor? There's my cursor. Let me eat these tiny fish. Wait, do I have to get, like, bigger? Oh, no. I am running away from that guy. Like, look. Is it N? Oh, gosh. Let me eat my own meat again. Get bigger. Oh, what? That's a big boy. But I'm getting all the meat, which is good. So, oh, there's more meat. Eat up. Oh, there's so much meat there. Let's see. I saw humans swim. Yeah, can we eat them? Imagine you're swimming in the beach and you just see this massive shark jump over you. Like, yo, what? There's a glowing shark. I'm not so sure if it's a good thing or bad. Oh, wow. Really got some airtime there. I'm just chomping my way through, dodge that guy's attack. Holy moly. Can we eat other sharks? But I don't want to. Oh, that guy's gonna die. Oh, gosh. I just want to eat fishies. I'm a peaceful fish, even though I eat tiny fishies. Oh, these are sewage areas. Oh. Oh, no. Please don't tell me I died. Okay, I didn't die. I think this is the best we've gotten so far. Like, I know we're just swimming around doing nothing, and we're not actually attacking other sharks, but we got quite huge. Like, we're getting big. Oh gosh, no. Oh no. Can I? Oh no, this guy wants to eat me. I'm scared. I'm running away. Yes, you can call me a scaredy fish all you want. I'm not dying. Wow, this is so misty. Is that the unsafe zone? What is that area? Okay, I don't know how many people are left, because I haven't seen a lot of people. Well, sharks. Wow. I'm guessing that's not the safe zone. I'm just gonna keep eating. Oh gosh, that boy is a big boy. He's a big boy. I'm not going up against that guy anytime soon, man. That guy's huge. He's huge. Oh no, we were second place. We were doing so well. I knew we should have came near him. He's bad. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is try and get big. Because if we get the biggest shark, we get a head start, like a good head start. Okay, Daddy, what does that do? Nice. Let's play. Nice. Drop. To move. Okay, now let's try and eat as many fish as we can. We want all these fishies. All of them. We want all of them. They're ours. We don't... What was that? What is it big boy. I think we're gonna do our other strategy in the game that got us so close. So that strategy was eat other fish's meat. Can we size up already? Okay, so we're in 5th place now. Oh, that's the guy that ate us last time. Oh, that guy's tough. Continue. Let's eat our meat before it drops. Okay, we got our meat, so we got back to the same size, I'm guessing. Yeah, we got back to... Oh, no. No, I'm not going anywhere near that guy. No, no. Oh, holy. Yeah, you can have that meat. I don't want it anymore. I don't want it. You can have it. It's all yours. All yours, buddy. All yours. Size up. Yes, we gotta size up. So, oh no. That guy tried to eat us. But he got what he deserves. Oh no. Return. I'm just getting all the fishies here. No worry, fishies, I'll save you. Just jump into my mouth. All the fishes. Okay. Jumps into my mouth. Oh no. We're getting big. Like big, big, big. Oh, so we have to do L. Where's L? Oh. Oh no, no, we were 3rd place. That guy's probably 2nd or 1st. We were 3rd place. I think we have enough time for one last round. Yeah, let's do one last round. If this advert says skip advert, then maybe. Okay, yeah. I don't care. Just get me through next. Okay, I don't think we're gonna have enough time. No, I clicked on ad. Well, we've got like 3 more minutes until we're probably gonna have enough time for one more. Yeah, let's do one more. Yeah, let's do one more. I'm gonna drop as soon as I can. That was a good strategy. Drop. Okay, I dropped it immediately. So I'm getting all the fishies. Okay, I want those fishies. Give me them. Give me fishies. Yummy fishy. Can we? Okay, we can. And oh, what? Continue. We need our food. Give me my food back. Give me my meat. My meat. We're literally getting bullied here. We came 11th. I think that's our worst. I think we'll have time for one last one. Probably not, but maybe one last one. Possibly not, but possibly yes. Because like each round we lost like a minute. So let's do next. Yeah. Oh no, we're not gonna have time for one more. There's no way we're gonna have time for one more. Unless somehow this advert ends by 16 seconds. Yeah, we're not gonna have time for one more, guys. Sorry. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was really fun playing with you guys. We might do a quick round. Okay, so we got 20 plays. 3, 2, 1. Oh gosh. Nah, I think we're gonna end that video there, guys. I'll see you guys later, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed it, and I hope you guys did too. See you guys in the next video. You guys can watch me for the last 10 seconds, but see you guys later. Bye. Hope you guys like it.